Survival machetes are built tough for tough jobs, but they can also manage outdoor tasks that require a lighter touch. Virtually every indigenous culture across the globe considers the machete a staple, and for good reason. Machetes are functional, affordable, and portable. There are many products available to best survival in self, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel and check the description box. Number 1. Smith & Wesson SWHRT9B9 in High Carbon SS Fixed Blade Knife. Dimensions: 9 inches overall length with a blade length of 4.7 inches and a weight of 7.7 ounces. Durable. Blade is made of reliable 7CR17 MOV high carbon stainless steel with a black rubber wrapped handle. Dependable. Quick and easy access with the convenient belt or boot sheath, making it ideal for everyday carry. Secure. Have confidence that the blade will not slip with the security of the hand guard. Be prepared. Knife features lanyard hole, makes for ideal neck knife. Number 2. WORKPRO Axe and Fixed Blade Knife Combo Set. Full tang axe and knife. Both full tang 3CR13 blades have excellent strength, edge retention, and corrosion resistance for lasting durability. The handle is constructed of black wood with a fully polished finish, suitable for long-term use. Extremely humanized design. The Hatchet set has sharp blades, which provide you with a great striking force and deepness. The tool is built with a comfortable and textured grip wooden handle designed with ergonomics in mind for the strongest grip. The raised part of the handle is provided with an anti-skid groove to prevent slipping and injuring yourself in the process of use. Number 3. Jellas Hunting Knife Kit. Box size 11 by 7 by 2 inch, weight 1.8 pounds. The package contains caping knife for detail processing ×1. Gut hook knife for cutting off the intestines ×1. Boning knife for removing the meat beside the bones and cutting fish ×1. Saw for wood. Bone ×1. Gloves to keep your hands clean ×1. Sturdy black suitcase ×1. Jellas hunting gear. Blades are made of 5CR steel and treated with rust prevention. All the blade is made of 5CR steel. The hardness can reach 58 HCR, which allowing you to easily cook all kinds of prey. Sharp and durable blade can improve the cutting speed and improve the hunting efficiency. Number 4. Gerber Gear Thirtamina 1790 Gator Machete 25 inch. Dual-purpose machete was designed for chopping and sawing. Machete for clearing brush. Machete includes a 15 inches plain edge blade on one side, an 18 inches saw blade on the other. Machete with sheath has a riveted nylon sheath is included. Limited lifetime warranty. Number 5. LIANTRAL Survival Axe Folding Portable Camping Axe Multi-Tool. This survival axe includes the functions of chop, cut, split, chip, trim, open, scale, make fire, hammer, whistle, compass, etc. It can also be used as a tactical axe. It is a military portable folding axe with sharp blade, adjustable handles, and a sheath. Great for anyone to use: survivalists, hunters, hikers, campers, first responder, gardeners. The axe head is made of steel. The handle and extension bars are made of sturdy thick aluminum alloy. Designed and produced with the sports and outdoor enthusiast in mind. It is very suitable to be used as camping axe or camping hatchet.